तो मालूम रहता हूँ कौन सुना नहीं जा रहा हो रही पर थैंक यू
मैं सोचा मेरा बनाना के बोल के मैं ले लिया बाद में
ठीक है ये बाहर नहीं
ओके बाहर नहीं आ रहा भाई
आता एक मिनट
This is my new Canon 200D and here comes the manual book. And if we open, I can see there is a memory card chip. Then after, these are the warranty things. Okay, I have to hand it over to the person. Then where is it? And this is a battery, and this is the wire. I think it's a wire. Maybe, okay, this is a power bank. Okay, these are the lens. These are the lens. Okay, and here comes my little baby. Oh wow, the packing is too good, I can say. Okay, this is just a, I can say I'm shooting with my OnePlus 6. So this is a Canon camera. As of now, I can only tell you about the unboxing. After using this, I can post how is the performance of this camera. Okay, I have to put it aside. Then I need to show you the lens which are given inside. I think this one is a. Let me open. Okay, this is a lens. Okay, I don't want to open this one. And maybe what about this one? This is a main lens, I think. So all are in sealed pack. Okay, that's all for now. Just look at this one.